Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Exquisite by Godrej Properties located at Waghbin, Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You can also see the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project is located bang on Godbandar Road. The locality is Waghbin, Thane. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, maintenance, parking, possession, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.61 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have 3 towers that will have 2 levels of retail with 4 podium plus ground plus 40 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Hiranandani Estate, Waghbin, bang on Godbandar Road, Thane. From where Hiranandani Estate is at a distance of 1 kilometer, Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 15 minutes, Dongaripara Metro Station is at a distance of 800 meters, also your Thane Borivali Tunnel at a distance of 1.2 kilometers, and all school, colleges, hospital is within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now speaking of amenities and internal amenities, you will be getting rectified tiles, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink, AC provided in the master bedroom and many more. Speaking of external amenities, as you can see in the model, this project will have 30 plus amenities with multi-purpose hall, clubhouse, gymnasium, swimming pool, seating area, jogging track, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the parking part, this project has podium level of car parking facilities. Now let's talk about the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan. You can see these are the 3 towers having 2 BHK of 655 to 724 square feet and 3 BHK of 772 to 922 square feet. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 724 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 922 square feet. And now let's discuss about the maintenance. The maintenance varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 5,500 to 6,500 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 6,500 to 8,200 per month. And now let's talk about the possession. The possession of the project is of September 2026. And to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Exquisite by Godrej Properties located in Waghbin, Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.